Captain Arvind Kumar and I welcome all of you on my channel. Recently on 11th January, Air India operated its longest ever flight to India, which is from San Francisco to Bangalore. With this flight, Air India has created history by operating longest ever flight via North Pole and especially via all-women cockpit crew. So why this flight was important, why this flight is extraordinary? Because by operating via North Pole, Air India has set a benchmark in women empowerment by operating longest ever flight via North Pole. Why this flight was extraordinary? Not only because of its routing, which is via North Pole, but also because it was operated by all-women crew. And I think this is the longest ever flight operated by a all-women cockpit crew via North Pole. By operating on this special route via North Pole, the airline has saved almost close to 10,000 kg, which comes around 12,800 liters of fuel. By operating on this special route, which is shorter than the earlier route which airline was operating, now the Air India is able to operate a direct flight from San Francisco to Bangalore, which was earlier operated as San Francisco Delhi Bangalore with a stopover in Delhi for a few hours. And why operating this flight is such an achievement is because India already holds the distinction of having the highest percentage of women pilots in the world, which is around 12.4%. Whereas the other developed countries like United Kingdom and United States of America has only roughly 5 to 5.4% of their pilots as women. So having operated this all-women cockpit crew flight via North Pole, which is also the longest all-women flight via North Pole, India has set another benchmark and it's like another feather in their cap. Now let's listen to the actual pilots who operated this extraordinary flight via North Pole from San Francisco to Bangalore.
From flying from two diametrically points on the globe, which is San Francisco to Bangalore. If you see the globe, they are on two exact diametrics points. So today is the day we create world history by not only flying the route over the North Pole, by having all women pilots who successfully did it, and it is also amongst one of the world's longest flights. So we are extremely happy and proud to be part of it, and we are extremely thrilled that our government, our airline has instilled this trust in us, and we all did it together as a team.
Air India has the maximum number of lady pilots in this world, so I don't think they should think like that. They're very safe with us when they fly, whatever distance, wherever they go.
Quite an exciting experience since it's never been done before, so there's a lot of hard work that's gone into the flight. Actually, we have been preparing for it and the entire team of Air India has put in a lot of effort to put this together, but it was quite an exciting experience, I think, for all of us.
Air India has always been working to get our passengers back home as safely as possible and obviously as soon as possible too.
How much fuel do you think you saved?
See, we save right from 2,000 kgs to about 10,000 kgs on this routing. This is a special routing which we're trying to do over the polar region, as close to the North Pole as possible. And today, that's what we did.
As you can see in the video, these two airports, San Francisco and Bangalore, are exactly on the opposite sides of the earth to such an extent that when it's 7 p.m. in India, that is 7 p.m. in Bangalore, at the same moment, at the same instant, it's 8:30 in the morning in San Francisco. After seeing this picture on flight radar, many people had these questions that why Air India operated this flight via North Pole when they could have operated this flight from San Francisco to Bengaluru in a westerly direction like this. Then let me tell you the secret. The picture which is shown by flight radar, it looks like Earth is a flat surface. Earth is flat like a sheet of paper, which is not actually true. Earth is spherical. Let me show you another picture. In this video here you can see the actual shape of the Earth, which is spherical. Now to fly from one side of the Earth to the other side of the Earth, airlines have two options. Either they can fly easterly direction or westerly direction like this, or they can fly via North Pole. Like for an example, to fly from San Francisco to Bengaluru, Air India had two options. Either fly in westerly direction like this, or fly via North Pole. Now several factors comes into consideration why airlines choose to fly via North Pole instead of going in westerly direction. First and the most important factor is the safety. Second is the fuel economy, and third and fourth, the lot of other there are factors like the facilities available, whether the communication and navigation facilities are available or not. So let me give you an example with this routing. Like from San Francisco to Bengaluru, Air India had two options, either to fly in westerly direction like this, or to fly via North Pole. Now to fly in westerly direction, the airline would have ended up covering more distance, whereas flying via North Pole, it's slightly shorter. For an example, if you fly exactly in westerly direction, you would have covered around approximately 16,000 kilometers, whereas flying via North Pole is only approx 14,000 kilometers. So guys, if you learned something new from this video, you can like this video. If you have any questions or any comment, you can write in the comment section. And to share this extraordinary feat by the Air India, you can always share this video with your family and friends. And if you are interested in getting such more information and seeing more such videos, you can always subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.